All right, Frankie, pizza review time. New place right near the office. Woodpecker. The Woodpecker. Who's the famous woodpecker? Woody the Woodpecker?
Sounds right.
This is a famous woodpecker. I think it's Woody. What are the odds this guy knows? Woody the Woodpecker? Is that the famous woodpecker? I'm pretty sure it's Woody the Woodpecker. Anyways, 30 West 30th Street. It's by David Burke. They're making it sound like he's a really famous chef. There's the pizza, wood fired. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good actually. One bite, everybody knows the rules. What's that say? Glorix? Nomad? I don't know. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Gloria. I don't know what that means. I don't know what Gloria means. It is cold as fuck outside. One bite, everybody knows the rules. I like it. Good light pizza. Yeah. That's what I think Woody the Woodpecker does.
Yes, sir.
Am I wrong about that? It's good. 7-4. I like it. It's good pizza. Fancy pizza, date pizza. I actually liked it in there. It's kind of nice in there. Nice wood burning scent. Felt like I was at a ski lodge. I'm pretty sure that's Woody the Woodpecker.